Think you're saving money on your daily essentials? Think again. Every single day, you are probably throwing cash straight into the garbage without even realizing it. I'm serious. We went out and did the math, and the amount of money people waste on simple, everyday things is absolutely insane. It adds up to thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars over your lifetime. First up, we are declaring war on bottled water. We did the research. It can be up to 2,000 times. So, I went out and bought this awesome reusable water bottle and a simple water filter. Alright, next on our hit list, brand name cleaning products. We've all seen the commercials with sparkling counters and miracle sprays. It's mostly marketing hype designed to make you spend more money. You can make an insanely powerful all-purpose cleaner with stuff from your kitchen, white vinegar, baking soda. This next one is a huge trap hidden in the healthiest part of the grocery store, pre-cut fruits and vegetables. We compared the prices, and sometimes it's double or even triple the cost of buying the produce whole. I bought this whole pineapple for a few bucks, and right next to it was a tiny container of pre-cut chunks for almost the same price. Okay, you just bought a brand new TV, a laptop, or maybe a washing machine. Then right at the checkout they hit you with the question, would you like to add our 3-year extended warranty for just a little extra? My answer for you is no. And here's the secret weapon they don't tell you about. Many credit cards automatically extend the manufacturer's warranty for you for free. Cable TV packages are an absolute dinosaur. You're paying $100, maybe even $200 a month for 500 channels, but how many do you actually watch? Netflix, Hulu, Disney Plus, you can pay for only the content you want to watch. If you start your day with a single-use coffee pod, I'm about to ruin your morning to save you a ton of money. A pod can cost about $1 per cup. A scoop of ground coffee can be only about 20 cents. If you love your pod machine, just buy a reusable pod. We are going on a mission to destroy wasteful spending. I found the 10 most common items that are secretly draining your bank account, and the numbers are going to shock you. For every single one, I'm going to give you a simple, powerful replacement that will start saving you money immediately. No fluff, no long, complicated strategies. Just pure, fast, and easy savings that you can start using the second this video ends. Get ready to change the way you shop forever. Here are 10 everyday items you're wasting money on, and what to do instead. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to save hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars this year. Let's go! This next one is pure rage fuel for me. Paying a fee to access your own money. I'm talking about out-of-network ATM fees. If you do this just once a week, you could be spending over $150 a year just on fees. This is all about planning. Before you leave the house, think about whether you'll need cash. Another pro move is to get cash back when you're at the grocery store or pharmacy. It's completely free. Pulling up to the gas station, you see the 3 buttons, regular plus premium. That premium button looks so tempting, right? It costs more, so it must be better for your car. For the overwhelming majority of cars on the road, that is completely false. You're literally pumping money down the drain. Unless your car's manufacturer specifically and explicitly requires premium gasoline, you're getting nothing for that extra 50 or 60 cents a gallon. This could save you hundreds of dollars every single year. Let's head to the bathroom for our next money waster, fancy toothpaste. Whitening, enamel protection, charcoal, sensitive, gum detoxify, 3D advanced vivid white, the list is endless. The most important ingredient for preventing cavities is fluoride. The basic, cheapest Crest or Colgate has the exact same amount of fluoride as the super fancy version. Unless your dentist tells you otherwise, just buy the basics. Your teeth and your wallet will thank you. Last but not least, we have one of the most overpriced paper products on the planet. Greeting cards. You're paying $5, $6, even $7 for a folded piece of cardboard with a generic, cheesy message inside that someone else wrote. Most of the time, it gets read once and then sits on a counter for a week before being tossed in the trash. A heartfelt handwritten note on a simple piece of paper means 1,000 times more than a mass-produced card, or send a thoughtful text message or email. Better yet, make a funny video for them on your phone. And there you have it, 10 money wasters that we have just completely eliminated from your life. We just went through and found you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in annual savings. Think about what you could do with all that extra cash. That's a vacation, a new computer, a huge boost to your savings account. All by making a few simple switches. It's not about being cheap, it's about being smart. Don't let companies trick you into wasting your hard-earned money. The power is in your hands now. You know the secrets. You've seen how easy it is to save on bottled water, coffee, cleaning supplies, all the rest. The challenge doesn't end with this video. Look around your home, find other money wasters. This is a new mindset. Question every purchase. You'll be shocked at how quickly the savings pile up. We're all about giving you maximum value, fast. Cut these 10 money wasters and watch your savings grow. Want more challenges and secrets to save and make money? Subscribe for more quick value hits. Subscribe for more. We have so many more insane ideas coming. You're not going to want to miss what's next.